Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive, view, and unarchive an order in your Amazon orders. Click on the Returns and Orders section. Find the order you would like to archive, and click Archive Order. And then click Archive Order again. And now your order has been archived. Let's refresh the screen, and now we can find out where to look for your archived order. These orders are under this drop-down menu right here. Click the arrow, and at the bottom, you'll find Archived Orders. And here, you should see all of your orders that have been archived. To unarchive an order, simply find the order and click Unarchive Order. Now that order has been unarchived and is in your Orders section. So let's refresh the screen again, and here you will see that the order we archived is now back into our orders. I hope this tip has been helpful. I mainly use it at the holiday season, so no one can go into my Amazon account to check on things that I've ordered. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.